Iowa plant of the Duplomatic Hydraulic Systems business unit, we have been manufacturing extremely complex systems for over 35 years, requiring the design of hydraulic, mechanical, and pneumatic details, as well as, in particular projects, the design of the software. These skills, combined with those in the plant based near Milan, allow Duplomatic to tackle all possible requests from our customers. Duplomatic developed this extremely complex system with very strict technical specifications. We have concentrated the power of 1.6 megawatts divided into 8 motor pump groups and 460 kilowatts of dissipated thermal power in 42 feet of length. In addition to the fluid temperature dissipation system, we also have the firefighting CO2 system and an 8,000-liter tank. All of this is designed to work at temperatures of -40 degrees Celsius.